I'm just walking along this country trail, guys, and I've come across this guy. Look at this beauty. See if he'll let me get up close and personal. He's just sitting there chilling. This is one for the wildlife playlist. That's what we call a British grey heron. And what a beauty he is. You're right there, big guy. This is Gaz the Wildman. Just getting a little video of you because you look awesome. Oh, what have you seen, dude? Oh, he's seen something, looks he. He's not in the best of shape, but he's a good looking bird nonetheless. What an awesome creature. So that's the grey heron of the UK. He's actually letting me video him. God bless him. A lot of people don't like these birds because they will wipe out a fish pond. But I think that's the closest I've ever got to one for video. It's nice of him just let me sit there and watch him going about his daily business. I do a bit of wildlife photography in between my truth seeking and my foraging and my mushroom hunting. Oh, thought he was getting bolt then. Are we going to see him catch a fish? What a beautiful bird. There's always a bloody plant in the way. Sorry guys, a bit of a shake there. I don't think you'll get much closer than that, people. Yeah, he's only got one leg. One-legged heron. So I'd chuck that little video in there while I'm on my journeys. I'd like to thank that little guy for letting me video him. Would have been nice getting catch a fish, but there you go. But yeah, that's the grey heron in Britain. This is Gaz the Wildman out on a journey. On a bit of a mission today. God bless you, Mr. Heron. Thank you for letting me video you, you know. He knows I'm no harm. Guys, look where I am today. I'm looking for markings in the rocks. I'm looking for truth in the rocks. On a bit of a mission. What's this say here? Yeah. Still trying to find this crazy cave. We will do. It's up here. These strange markings. That just looks like some sort of cutout. Very strange. I'm not sure if that's water or markings in the rock. It's actually water dripping down that. Let me know if you see anything, guys. I'm on a big mission today, big walk for the Wild Army. See what little nuggets we can find. I'm actually going along this massive river. There's a couple of caves along here. You've got Thor's cave, which has the legend of Thor, and then you've also got Reynard's cave, where I'm just looking for markings in these rocks. Sorry about the wind, guys. Just thought I'd take you on this little adventure with me. See what little truth nuggets we can find. So yeah, we've ended up, that looks like a different type of rock. But I was actually videoing that grey heron and got a bit waylaid. Just looking for caves, rocks, evidence of the old world. I mean, look up there, guys. That's where I'm heading. That looks like a big face in the rock, that. But we'll check that out soon. Just a little video there, show you where I am. Loads of these little money trees everywhere. So yeah, this is Wildman guys out for the Wild Army, looking for truth in nature, looking for old world, the melt, any sort of old history and truth. Let's see what else we can find, eh guys. This is the Wildman guys signing out for now. I'll be back in a bit. Have a good one, guys. Big love, big respect. Wildman out. Wild Army. Oi oi.